You might want to display data within your document as a chart, and you can do so in Google Slides. You can either insert a basic chart and then open it in Google Sheets to customize it, or you can insert a chart from one of your existing Google Sheets. We will show you how to insert one from Google Sheets in the next lesson. To insert a chart, begin by clicking on the Insert menu. From the menu that opens, hover over Chart, and a side menu will show you your options. You can select a bar, column, line, or pie chart. When you select one of these options, a generic chart will be added to your presentation. Click on it to activate editing options. Clicking on this button will open this chart in a new Google Sheet, and you will be able to customize it to meet your needs. Since the chart is now linked to a live Google Sheet, any changes you make to the data in the sheet will be reflected in the chart as you update it. If the data has been changed, an update link will appear in the top right corner. Clicking on that link will change the embedded chart to match the current data. If you don't need to be concerned with the data being updated, you can unlink the chart from the spreadsheet by clicking this icon in the top right corner of the chart. You can change the size of your chart by dragging one of the handles found in each corner. And as it is considered an image, you can use any of the image editing options provided to you in the toolbar.